Structured notes are complex financial instruments that often look like bonds but behave quite differently. Let's look at what they are and why they exist. At their heart, structured notes are hybrid products. They combine a traditional bond with a derivative, which is a bet on the performance of another asset. Unlike a savings account, these notes rarely offer full principal protection. Your return is tied to a specific index, stock, or commodity. The note pays you based on the performance of a reference asset. If that asset does well, you might get a bonus, but if it drops, you might lose money. The payout can vary wildly. Because of the derivative component, you could see high returns in a good market but significant losses if the index falls. Always remember that complexity often hides risk. If you cannot explain how the note calculates your return, it is likely not the right fit for your portfolio. Structured notes are advanced tools that require careful research. Save this video to review later and subscribe for more basics on how financial products work.